Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into FedEx BillPay. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in fedex.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official FedEx website. Now from the homepage, in order to access the bill payment feature, click on the login or sign up button at the top section and then click on view and pay bill. This will now take you into the billing solutions page, from which if you scroll down, you will see the Pay or Manage FedEx Billing Online option. You can click on the appropriate login portal for your bill, depending on its type, and now you will be asked to enter your credentials. Type in the user ID or your email address that you have set up while creating your FedEx account, and then enter your account password underneath within the password box. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged in to your FedEx billing solutions. Once you are logged in, you will be able to navigate to your appropriate bill that you will need to pay, and you will be able to pay the bill with just a few clicks. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your FedEx BillPay service. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.